do a before here. Look at this beautiful, naturally colored hair. Penny's going to be our model today, and we are going to see what this turns out to be. And in 3, 2, 1.
Wow, look at how red this is. Of course, this is the wet version, so we're actually going to fast forward 24 hours later, and here is Penelope again. It's brilliantly red, almost like an Ariel from The Little Mermaid. Now, when it comes to actual application, let's talk through this, shall we? So it's best to really make sure that you're doing this in sections. Of course, I'm going to get a comb here in just a moment, but right now I'm just kind of dousing the whole thing, saturating it completely. Now, if you're anything like me, you actually want to see the color change. Well, let's do that.
See, the color already is changing in this area. See how much darker this is as opposed to this area, which is still the natural color. So we're going to put some more color in this section and continue around.
Once you've waited 20 minutes, go ahead and rinse out all of that residual color, and the final reveal.
Whoa! It's red!
It looks beautiful!
It is recommended to have an older sister nearby who is willing to brush and dry your hair. And of course, the 24-hour reveal, it looks beautiful. She loves it.